Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this one we are going to talk about this amazing Django based news application, right? So I will be telling you about how it functions and how a person can use it, right? So let me quickly create a super user first so that I can log in into the application. So for that I have to just fire this command called create super user, right? And this will give me the rights to create a super user just by entering the username and a couple of other details. So let's wait and see. Yeah, so let me enter a random username. So I'm going to enter this name Mitakshi, and email address I don't want to enter anything. Password is Gaurav123 that I've entered, and let's see. Okay, so I've created the super user successfully. It's time for me to run the application and check it out on the local port 8000. So I've already showed you the home page of the application, and let me just give it a refresh. Okay, so this is the home page right now. If I want to log in, I have to come on archive, and because archive cannot be accessed till the time you log in into the application, that's why it has redirected us to this particular page. Now I would like to sign up. Fine, and we have the registration page also, but because I already have a super user created, so I'm not going to use this one for now. I am simply going to go on the login page, and here I'm going to enter the name of the person I have used for creating the super user, and here I have to enter the password. So once we enter into the application, this is what we come across, right? So there is an API which is working in the backend, and from where we are pulling all these details. Okay, now if I click on any of these news cards, what's gonna happen? Let's check it out. So it has redirected me to a page where I can see the complete news of that particular thing on which I have clicked, like this. Okay, so that is how this application works. And then we have another facility over here called bookmark. So right now if I see my bookmarks, there is nothing in it. But if I come back on archive, and here I click this bookmark button, and let me click this one, and I would like to bookmark this news also. So now if I visit the bookmark section, I can see all the three news cards which I have bookmarked. Okay, so this is how you can bookmark the news cards for yourself. Now if I click on any of these news, what's going to happen? So it will again take us to that page where we can see the entire news. Okay, so that is one thing. Then if suppose in the URL we type something like this, which is not defined in the route section, so it will take us to this particular page. So it's a 404 error page where a GIF image has been used. So it is just to show you that you can make 404 interactive also, right? Okay, going back, we can use this back button, or else we can use this go to home button also for coming back to the home page, right? So this is the whole application, and we have built it purely, it has been built purely on Django, right? As you can see here, it can be deployed on Docker, it can be containerized also, and then you can use Kubernetes for further scaling up the application. That's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. Thank you very much for being there with me in this tutorial. Bye bye, take care, have a great day ahead, guys.